Hello, in front of me I have Fossil Q Wonder, and I'm gonna show you how to change the watch face on this device. First, we need to wake up the screen on our watch. You can do it by pressing the side button. Once you wake up the screen, swipe left on the screen, on the home screen, on the current watch face. Just swipe left on it to open the watch face menu. And here you can swipe left and right to scroll through the list of watch faces, find the watch face you like to use, and tap on it to select it and apply it on your watch, like this. You can also add more watch faces to this list. To do it, scroll through the list of watch faces in the watch face menu, scroll all the way to the right, and you should see the option called See More Watch Faces. Tap on it, and here you have a list with the remaining watch faces you can add. Find the watch face you like to add, for example, this one, tap on it, and as you can see, it should get added to your list, and you can select it from this list to apply it on your watch, like this. You can also customize some of the watch faces. To do it, open the watch face menu again, come on, like this, and some of the watch faces have this settings icon below them. You can tap on it, so for example, tap on the settings icon here, and we can change a couple of things. We can change widgets. To do it, simply tap on the widget you want to change and select the desired widget from the list. So for example, we have categories like contacts, fit, Fossil Q, general. I'm gonna select the general category, and here we have, for example, watch battery, now playing, app shortcut, and stuff like that. Select the app shortcut, for example, and find the app like settings. Let's change the other one. So let's tap on it, tap on the category, and this one. And once you're done customizing your widgets, you can press the side button to confirm. And as you can see, here we have our watch face. We can tap on the shortcut to open the settings, and it works. Okay. You can also change the watch face via the phone app. So let's bring our phone right here. Let's open the Wear OS application on our phone. Let's open it. In the app, you should see this page, the Q Wonder page. On this page, you should see the watch faces category. Tap on More right here to open the whole list of watch faces. And again, you can find the watch face you like to use. Tap on it to select it and apply it on your watch. It should change to this watch face. As you can see, it did. Let's change to this maybe. And here we have it. And once you're done, you can simply close the app like this. And that's how you change the watch face on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.